Well, you're right, guys. Time to get the SSPC 2026 spuds into the bed. I'm doing it with beds again this year. Bed. It's just going to take too much compost. And now, I haven't got a car. It's going tomorrow. Yeah, it's been scrapped. I can't afford to repair it, basically. The new fuel pump is approximately £300 reconditioned, or 800 quid new. But the pump is right at the back of the engine. In a dealership, it is engine out job. On the drive, it would take me weeks if I could even reach it with my stumpy little, you know what I mean? I can't reach it. So it's being collected tomorrow. Boo-hoo. Anyway, back to spuds. 9 pots. This one could possibly make 3 more. But I'm not doing it this year. I'm just going to get them in the ground before this rain comes. So I'll turn you down here and see what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure you've seen me plant spuds before, but here we go. Right, let's get on with it, because that cloud is getting blacker and blacker, and I want the rain anyway. What was in here before was red soup celery. It's been in here for a year, and I've just taken it all up. And I said to Sam next door, I'm on a drive actually, if you want any for freezing or dehydrating, take the leaves now, because the leaves are lovely. They really are, in fact. Yeah, I'm not going to... yeah, so she's frozen a load. There was nearly all gone. So I'm going to get them in here now. And... see, I'll do it really. They're going to be too close together, but, you know, whatever. Well, I don't know, they won't be too bad. Yeah, sort of stagger them a bit. Right, here we go. And I am going to put them a little bit deeper than the leaves are at the moment. Let's see what we got. Oh, lovely. Yeah, as if I was earthing up a bit, but I'm not, if you know what I mean. Hilling up, earthing up. I've got to do that one over here, so I don't want to reach over ones I've already planted, really, do I? I'll tell you what, there's a few little spuds in here, but they're not going to get confused with the ones we got, because I know which ones we got for the SSPC. Oh, I've got babies on there already, look. Yeah, way too close together but makes it easier to harvest. This is really, really fine compost. It's got loads of aquarium, not gravel, it's aquarium soil. You can't really see it, that's what these little brown bits are. And I changed my aquarium quite a while back. Put it all on this bed, and it is so free draining, it's brilliant. And that's 3. Get one in that corner there and work from there, I reckon. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that'll be all right. If you can see this, look. Monkey nuts, peanuts. The old squirrel's been around burying his nuts. They're close together, but if they were in a bucket, they're further apart than what you would do if you planted in a bucket, aren't they? You know, people usually put 2 in a bucket. Well, that's further apart than 2 in a bucket. Yeah. I'm convincing myself here, guys. Brilliant. I need these in a minute. So I'm not having the cats digging these up. loads of chicken manure pellets on top because ooh, the rain's going to wash it in today. And tonight, I might just scratch it a little bit. Yeah, I will. Luckily the wind's blowing the other way. In fact, that's the whole bag gone. And what I'll do as well, I'll put some in that fennel while I'm here. Oh, it's just started raining, I can feel it. My early warning head. Oh no, I'm gonna get wet, Steve. Well, there we are, 9 SSPCs planted up, covered up and fed. Just waiting for the rain now to do a bit of watering for me. Yeah, it's supposed to be, I think it's going to be biblical tonight, apparently. Sort of 5 millimetres or something stupid like that in Dursley. Right, see you soon.